Congratulations on reaching an intermediate level of WordPress. You've mastered the basics and are now ready for the next step. This guide will help you level up your WordPress skills. We'll cover advanced techniques to help you become a WordPress pro. Get ready to unlock the full potential of WordPress. Let's dive in and explore these exciting new possibilities. We'll break down each concept into easy-to-understand steps. With a little practice, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Customizing your WordPress theme is easier than you might think. You can make your website look exactly how you want. First, access your theme editor through the WordPress dashboard. Here you can find the CSS and PHP files that control your theme's appearance and functionality. Be careful when editing these files. Even small mistakes can cause problems. To be extra safe, use a child theme. A child theme is a copy of your main theme. It allows you to make changes without affecting the original theme files. Any changes you make will be preserved, even if you update your main theme. By learning some basic CSS and PHP, you can control everything from colors and fonts to layout and functionality. WordPress comes with standard post types like posts and pages. These are the basic building blocks for most websites, but what if you want to create something unique, like a portfolio or a recipe section? Standard post types might not be enough for your needs. This is where custom post types come in. They allow you to create specialized content that fits your specific requirements. Think of custom post types as new content categories on your website. They help you organize and display your content in a more meaningful way. You can create custom post types for anything you need, whether it's a portfolio, a recipe section, or even a product catalog. The possibilities are endless. For example, you might create a portfolio post type to showcase your work. This can include images, descriptions, and even client testimonials, or a recipe post type to share your culinary creations. You can include ingredients, cooking instructions, and even nutritional information. Taxonomies help you organize your custom post types. They act like labels that you can attach to your posts to make them easier to find. For example, if you have a recipe website, you can use taxonomies to categorize recipes by cuisine, making it easier for users to find what they're looking for, meal type or ingredients. This way, users can filter recipes based on their preferences. Plugins like Custom Post Type UI make it easy to create and manage custom post types and taxonomies. They offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful features to streamline the process. Unlocking Plugin Power Advanced Configurations. In this chapter, we will delve into the intricate world of advanced plugin settings and how they can significantly enhance your WordPress experience. Plugins extend the functionality of your WordPress website, offering a myriad of features that can transform your site. While you may be familiar with installing and activating plugins, advanced configurations unlock their full potential, allowing you to customize and optimize each plugin to suit your specific needs. Many plugins offer a wide range of settings that allow you to fine-tune their behavior. These settings can be crucial for achieving the desired performance and functionality. For example, SEO plugins like Yoast SEO have advanced settings for optimizing your content for search engines. These settings can help improve your site's visibility and ranking. You can control meta descriptions, XML sitemaps, and social media integration. Each of these settings plays a vital role in how your content is perceived and indexed by search engines. Caching plugins like WP Supercache allow you to configure caching rules, which can drastically reduce load times and improve user experience, and optimize your website's speed. Faster websites not only provide a better user experience, but also rank higher in search engine results. Security plugins like WordFence offer advanced settings for two-factor authentication, IP blocking, and malware scanning. These features are essential for protecting your site from potential threats. Take the time to explore the settings of your plugins to understand how you can maximize their benefits. By doing so, you can ensure that your WordPress site is not only functional, but also optimized for performance, security, and SEO. Speed matters, optimizing site performance. A fast-loading website is crucial for user experience and SEO. Slow websites can lead to higher bounce rates and lower search engine rankings. Optimizing your website's performance involves several techniques. Start by using a performance testing tool like Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix. These tools analyze your website and provide recommendations for improvement. Image optimization is another critical aspect of website performance. Large image files can slow down your website. Use an image optimization plugin like Smush to compress your images without sacrificing quality. Caching plugins store static versions of your website, reducing server load and improving loading times. Safety first, enhancing WordPress security. WordPress security is paramount. Your website is vulnerable to attacks if you don't take the necessary precautions. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to enhance your website's security. First and foremost, enable two-factor authentication for all user accounts. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to enter a unique code from their phone or email in addition to their password. Regularly back up your website to ensure that you can restore it in case of a security breach. Use a security plugin like WordFence or Securi to monitor your website for suspicious activity and block malicious traffic. Continuous growth, taking your skills to the next level. It's not just about reaching a milestone, but about constantly pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve. Congratulations! You've taken a deep dive into the world of advanced WordPress techniques. This is a significant achievement, and you should be proud of how far you've come. By mastering these skills, you've opened up a world of possibilities for creating dynamic, customized, and high-performing websites. Your ability to innovate and adapt will set you apart in the competitive field of web development. Remember that learning is an ongoing journey. Every new piece of knowledge builds on the last, creating a solid foundation for future growth. WordPress is constantly evolving with new features, plugins, and best practices emerging regularly. Staying updated with these changes is crucial to maintaining your edge. Embrace the opportunity to stay updated and continue expanding your skill set. Engage with the community, attend webinars, and participate in discussions to keep your knowledge fresh. Experiment with different plugins and configurations. This hands-on approach will help you understand the nuances of each tool and how they can be best utilized. Explore online resources like the official WordPress Codex, developer documentation, and online communities to deepen your understanding. These platforms are treasure troves of information and can provide solutions to complex problems. The more you learn and practice, the more confident you'll become in your ability to build and manage WordPress websites. Confidence comes from experience, so don't shy away from challenging projects. So what are you waiting for? The world of WordPress is vast and full of opportunities. Dive in and start exploring. Put your newfound knowledge into practice and take your WordPress skills to the next level. The journey of learning never truly ends, and each step